Ebusianfo aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, we look. The person MBA studio wo ha. The pamu chow time ko. Yes, so TV blog now. They say expanding and more channels, any more news, more kind of say analysis. Eddie Bremo. The person MBA in entertainment aspect of a show no. Now total cost me 25,000 Ghana cedis. Kakra wom. Ya how this so. Enti me. Mo na mbe boy. Na it is a plan. Eda nkofo na omusani send no. Eda mo nyina ase. Kitwa bien so. Okay? The number is down on the screen. Can you take it and help us out? Now let's go and listen to this conversation. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Se wo career ato nsuomu a na wape baabi na wo de ato hwe ne enhihye ya na Addo danko akufo ado ne ba Dr. Bawomi abehihye de ma Ghana unless obi on kan okre e na obeka se NPP ba wa meye hwe it say Black Rasta mu ne sa udran Kevin Taylor mu ne o ma no mo ye see se wo ye de wa betu payroll so kuma wudufo a moni magu ase bebre na mo career to nsuomu a yente mo nka makofa NDC na mo de akekere mo support wo NDC ye bisa wa kachiro mo se ye kache amanfo ni se 24-hour economy bo sha kesi a ye hye ya si ndi so magana fo no eno na ye so nka enkire wo mpanifo no no mu ndi so unya opportunity bia na ye so the NPP anim betwitwi from a ye do wo betwitwi bin mu akasa ne ya kire wo ase nyansani a woni amanfo awo rofrof untimi hwe it took na Addo danko akufo ado eno obehwe o mba ne bi meboa bebi a wo bia no bomidua aboa ba wo ye ne ablo obi a ne bi okasa me NDC bia ye selfish interest intina okasa me NDC sa aban bi aba no watima be ye policy a akọ efie bia mu akọ kro bia mu akọ district bia mu akọ region bia mu a na amanfo be ka se yen wo hye sa aban ne ngu ye mefa aban a ontimi ye hwe no mfa man Uya yutuni atie o NPP ba enye atro enodibu oman no ye be dada mo ye ba be fa amanfo 500,000 ewo a security job enne 500,000 na ye sen 5,000 inti so ye Ghana ni a youth am wadwen da o na hu se NPP di omo ba omo onimdi a ye dibu man NPP 16 good years Shame mo papa wa bebu ama Ghana ni enhwe NDC 29 good years mu no mu we then at the potin ben no mo de be che Ghana for say ye NDC for ya ba akọ efie bia mu ebi ni wo anibie ni nyina beba ejina NPP so enti yesre wo ayi popo we a wo ne nam wo no wazinga we a wo ne nam ni animu obi animu na Addo danko akufo ado ne naban beba ye be project Kumase yeti bibi se Kumerica na bibia na ya akra hanko inti asantifo NPP na mu ni sa na NPP ne ya de kese de mamu a yese munsumu ebi ni makohihye achi omahu nokre na omo nka eno mugigi na ombe sɔrry obi ti sa Apia Stadium mpanifo na nhwe o mama o untimi mbobra papa bia de bia yen hype nipa ne ma osika eno ena sisi bobo mu ne ade no ma start no mu yeren omu ye nti ye de ye onum na yehu se wa start sa ade na ye beba be shut down na me fan wi obasintali usi dai mu handi over enfama NPP bi basintali unse aban bi ti so ansa na ye handi over na 2028 ni wa lusu from se na ye lusu na obetima be ka che Ghana for say mu handi over enfama party na we win na basintali give us a break wako shema opesa manfonton kan into the way ba be fam we is not news
Don't worry. Jiminy the next one.
Yes and the crowd mubekum nipa e okrom a amemo ne de amamo amemo ambekum nipa won no enu amemo na mu
Jiminy is learning from
Basintali obi ansro Basintali nanu kwakono Michelle Aja, if you answer now, over 34 years, so say, Minuna age. Jiminy opportunity aba and wakoya wakoya krama NDC for China Ghana for Yadwin no do na war from NDC beka ka say din
that's why the worker say
now over center wabenya position and no person me unu na masa 2028 ni ulusu wi a na obeka so be hand over power now hand over power obia say Dr. Bawumia to the real what you say 2029 no oba be bu amemu papa na Ghana ni bi enya.
Thank you. The voice of NPP, Pastor, you have a message for Council 19 Pastor. The voice of NPP, then both Petros Alliance for Moses and then Archbishop, who is representing voice of the elephant. I'm also Mama Shishamo Kama Naija, the media not to associate the voice of NPP Pastor Yanko.
Yo, I can't unite. Good evening, and it's always a pleasure joining AM platform. And again, I'm very privileged, sir. I was invited to share a few thoughts and also congratulate you on behalf of all the TikTokers of the New Patriotic Party. And I'm saying, sir, beyond even TikTok, I'm a part of the communications team of the New Patriotic Party. And I think, sir, if people are worthy of commendation, even beyond TikTok, as part of the communications of the party, and as part of the work, Juma Pa Moye Ama, new media. I understand. Sir, me, I'm a Voltarian. I always say that, and I'm very proud of my root. 100% Voltarian. Me mami, every Wusu Taiwa Volta region, Papa Frita Biepe, Wu Central. And most of the time, some people ask me, some party for Nibi. Every time me say, now, Harris, as people know me in my actual life, Adena. Sa a tribalistic group from a council night for it. While we you boldly go to their platform and as a Muya program for now when you invite you out in the call. Now they are not doing the right thing. On several occasions and so some people have reached out to me, and I think some of them well-meaning people say many accounts unite for executive in Casa so that they can change the name of the group. If their purpose no there, good but a dino. And I can say, on no such occasion have I ever approached the leaders to say, this is what people are saying. No. And it's simple. I didn't say, a political party, New Patriotic Party, right? Now, the essence of every political party is to be in power, political power. Now, you don't win political power without strategy. So, who needs strategy? There is no way you are going to win any election whatsoever. Number two, you don't start developing your strategy when it is election year. There is no way you are going to win the election. And as the New Patriotic Party, at a point, our party, almost everyone was still in a state of shock, in a state of grief, in a state of not knowing at their next step I ever taken. To have some individuals come together and being able to diagnose one of the problems, okay, and coming up here with a probable solution. There should be no way. Let's even assume, say, a didn't right, I didn't right, or whatever. There should be no way such people should be discouraged. And I believe, say, the stance of Ayɛka Unite was vindicated when the Okwe report came out. As it stands today, I can tell you without any fear of contradiction, say, of all the solutions that we have seen, say, these are the solutions. Only to your defeat in 2024. No, none of them has been brought that is solving that Akan issue that happened before the election. None of them. None of them. You can, and I'm challenging anybody to prove me wrong. There is no solution of all the recommendations from the Okwe report that is addressing a semi-SCA between, that internal conflict that happened among Akans, especially on social media and all those things before the election. That should be something that Akans Unite should be very, very proud of. We are a very, very sensitive field, okay, that even some of the party in Penifo do not have the balls to address. And that is why they conveniently, overlooked it in the solution given to the party towards preparing ourselves for election 2028. And even though maybe some people might be reluctant approaching you, some people might be reluctant, maybe showing their faces on your platform, but behind closed doors, they will tell you, you are doing the right and all those things. No. We in the New Patriotic Party know that should Akans Unite as a group succeed, about 60% of our work for election 2028 is done. And that is the truth. And it's for that reason that you're not a voter region. You're not a northern region. I'm Manti Sylvia, Madam Mo, and the others. We are bent on seeing Akans Unite become a successful group. And not a successful group only, but an effective group. And you see, a day will come, I believe strongly, say, what the leadership of this group has done, the bold step you have taken, will be added to political strategy. Because what you have done, what you are doing currently, I'm not sure, say, in the history of this country, the history of our politics, has ever been attempted. I knew that this group would go far when I got to Kumasi sometime in I think that was 1st November, if my memory serves me right, for that air health screening. Sometimes I still look at
it was November.
Right, thank you. Sometimes I look at the videos on my phone, which I still have, and I could tell, say, it's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time before this group becomes the next big thing in Ghanaian politics. No, we couldn't make a start. Now, let's tell me why. The time, no one time. Let me say.
But 1 minute, yeah.
I got 1 minute. Yay.
2 minutes. Okay. Just take 2 minutes.
Mongazo, na ye if you are lawyer on the internet,
so I'm giving you 2 minutes. So that's open time. That time. 1 hour open.
Just sometimes don't want to engage in too much of a long. Okay.
Don't worry. What you're saying is really needed. What you're saying is really needed.
No problem. So, I am looking at the approach that the group used, Kumasi, the seamless work and the level of volunteerism that I saw from the people on the grounds. I could tell, say, the future was very bright for this group. And also, being able to overcome one of the biggest temptations. Maybe sometimes you not think, say, a very important thing you did, but important. And that big temptation was your posturing ahead of flag bearer election, right? How the group was able to prove some critics wrong. Because there were some critics who were saying, say, this group was coming to back or endorse one particular candidate. but I was part of most of your meetings on here, and I could tell that you people adopted a neutral posturing. And this tells me that indeed you people know what you are about. So as you celebrate your 1 year, my prayer for you is simple. I'm just praying that the unity that you are experiencing today, especially as the leadership, for the leadership, that unity will continue. Because as your name actually depicts it, so long as you remain united, nothing whatsoever that you intend or purpose achieving will go unachieved. You are the best. The New Patriotic Party loves you. Those of us in Volta region love you. The TikTokers of the New Patriotic Party will love you, and we wish you the best. And as you celebrate, please don't forget us. I have to run away now. I have a program. Thanks for having me. Bye.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. The